What's up all you cool cats and shop rats? Welcome back to Rule Hard Garage. Today's video is about, well, it's not about anything. We're just gonna go for a ride. But on this ride, we're gonna test out some new stuff that we got for the Z900RS. We're taking a big trip to Sturgis this year, so we've got some luggage, and today we're gonna try that luggage out and just enjoy the day. Lindsay, my wife, she has got to deliver a very important special piece. It's a surprise gift for a very close friend of hers. We're just gonna make the best of the day, enjoy some roads. Yeah, that's it. We're going for a ride. But we gotta do some finagling modification to the rack real quick. Let's do it. SW Motech brand. The other luggage we got here, these are Shad 23 liter, the SH23 Shad 23 liter cases. Nice. Clear the rack. Perfect. The rack is quick detach. It's the street rack, and then this is called the cargo tray or some shit like that. These are Harbor Freight Apache cases. This is the 3800 right here. They fit on there dang perfect, and I want to just pop some holes in this and use some carabiners here so we can strap this thing down and be able to open the case while on the rack without taking the straps off. Perfect? No. But will it work? Absolutely. Just like that. These will sit like that. Nice. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy, right through there, crosses over, up to here, super secure, voila. Cheap, easy, and effective. Lindsay's allergies are killing her. I'm talking to YouTube. You know, a motorcycle ride next to the river definitely isn't helping. But we found this barbecue spot here in Lakin, and we're gonna get a late lunch. The luggage is still secure.
You aren't kidding. I'd like to know.
But overall, the roads were super good, other than like 20 miles of gravel. That pretty much sucked. I wasn't expecting that, but no big deal.
They got cast iron cornbread, so I'm gonna have that. 4 cheese mac and cheese.
Yes, mac and cheese sounds good.
Walking pig.
Yes.
Oh, corn chips.
I'll take all of it.
This is what I want. No, it's got coleslaw on it.
She's got allergies, but she wants to sit outside.
I like to sit outside.
This is kind of nice.
I'm gonna watch the passerbyers and be nosy. Sean, this is buzzing on boats, stupid.
Is it?
Yeah.
I ain't got a boat.
You're an idiot.
How do you know it's a boat?
You're going bridge to bridge.
You can do that on the road.
They're going on a boat.
Bridge drive. You don't drive a boat, do you? I guess you can. Let's see here. Bridge to Bridge River Drive connects Illinois river communities Peoria Heights, Chillicothe, Lakin, Henry, Spring Bay. Create memories while exploring the arts, dining, entertainment, shopping, sports, and visual majesty. These brilliant, unique locations. Look, sunflowers.
Oh,
You can come put a booth up for your art.
thank you.
It does not specify how to drive. Peoria Fine Arts Fair.
We're next. Should be next.
Well, that was a month ago, but thank you.
That's what we're going for.
We're gonna be close soon. Please.
Thank you. Oh my god. I love finding a little hole-in-the-wall barbecue spot, so definitely will return. Now we're trying to figure out our route, since we've never gone here, and try to just like memorize what you can. And apparently, if you follow this, but that is in Spanish. So apparently we've gone to Mexico. So anyways, we've got a plan in the head as far as where we're going and some new roads that we've never been on. So another hour of riding and we will drop off the package.
Please tell us more.
You, sir, how do you feel about not being free
They're
reign?
ladies shop. They're
I'm sorry,
lay eggs.
ladies. I'm sorry, ladies. Well, I don't want to assume. I don't want to assume your guys' gender. I'm sorry.
How are you enjoying farm life? No. Oh, he's really. She's gonna.
Now you called it.
I know. I'm sorry.
All right, everybody. That's where we're gonna end this video. We delivered the precious cargo successfully, so that was a success. And I think the cargo rack is gonna work out perfectly for our Sturgis trip. And we just enjoyed some nice roads. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with all your friends. And until next time.